Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform some of the most basic tasks with Postman. Postman is an API development platform which allows developers to create, design, share and test their APIs. They can simply create their APIs and then to test their APIs they can execute calls via Postman. Also they can share their APIs via Postman platform. So we will see some of the very basic tasks that you can perform with Postman. In this regard, the first task is how to send a request or a call to any API. To do so, you have to go to workspaces here and then you have to select your workspace. Any workspace, I will select my workspace. And here, basically in this field, you have to send a request to an API server. So a request or a call can be of any type. It allows you to send get, post, put, and other different types of requests. We will simply send a request to a Postman server, which send us a very simple response that a request has been received. So this is the request or the API call, and you have to click send. And this is the response that is generated or returned by the Postman API server. So this is how you can send requests to other API servers as well and receive response in Postman to perform different types of tasks. The next task that you are going to see is how to integrate an application with Postman. To do so, you have to take help of Postman collection JSONs. Every application provides a collection JSON which you can import into Postman, and with that you can execute API calls for that particular application. So as an example in this video, I'm going to integrate pdf.co with Postman. pdf.co is a service, is a platform which allows you to perform different PDF related tasks. You can convert PDF documents to other formats and vice versa. You can generate PDF barcodes, you can extract informations from invoices and so on. So to do so, to integrate pdf.co with Postman, and you have to first download the collection JSONs for pdf.co. So you can find Postman collection JSON for pdf.co at this link. You have to simply save this file or download this JSON file on your local drive, and then next you have to go to collections and then click import, and here you have to basically upload that JSON file. So I have already downloaded the file, so I will simply upload it here. I will click JSON, open and import. Now you can see the collection of API calls for pdf.co here. If you expand it, you can see different types of calls that you can use to perform different PDF related tasks via pdf.co. The next task that we are going to see is to create documentation. So you have an API, you have imported an API, or you have created your own API and you want to add some documentation to your API. To do so, you have to click this new button here, and here you can see different type of new requests or collections or workspaces that you can create. Since we want to create documentation, you will click this option, API documentation. Here you have to select an existing collection, or you can create your own new collection. We will be selecting our existing collection, so I'll click here and I will click this. Here you can basically modify your collection or describe your collection. I will simply add XYZ, anything you want, and click save. And here you can see different links that you can use to further modify your collection. So this is how you can add a documentation to your existing collection. In addition to importing custom collections, there are some default collections as well in Postman that allow you to perform different type of functionalities. So you can click this, you have to go to home and then click this explore our public network here, and here you can see different type of collections that you can use to perform different types of tasks out of the box. You can see Salesforce developer API, PDF generator API, and so forth and so on. So from here you can select any collection. For instance, if you want to uh, write tests with examples, this Postman collection, you click here and you will see that this collection is opened here in your collections tab, and here you can find different type of API calls that you can use to perform different type of functionalities. So these are some of the very basic operations that you can perform with Postman. Thank you for watching this video.